In her book, Learn West Flemish, Desseyn takes readers on a challenging journey into the sound of West Flemish, a language often overshadowed and considered to be a mere dialect of Dutch. With her passion for teaching Scottish Gaelic, another endangered language, and her expertise as a native West Flemish speaker who relocated to Scotland in 2000, Anne shares her journey of rediscovering and embracing the unique beauty of her native tongue. She demonstrates how treating West Flemish with the respect and structure of a standalone language makes learning it not only achievable and easier, but also deeply fulfilling. Through cultural insights and linguistic revelations, Anne challenges the misconception that West Flemish is just an impenetrable vernacular requiring Dutch subtitles. Instead, she reveals how its regular patterns, rich vocabulary, and melodic rhythms come alive when approached with the right tools and mindset. Whether you're a language enthusiast, a proud speaker of West Flemish, or simply curious about bridging cultural gaps, this book is a testament to the power of treating every language with the dignity it deserves, so it can be saved for future generations.